To 2 cups of water, add 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Stir until it starts boiling. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna add an entire sleeve of these buttery, like Ritz crackers. Just put them all in, just like that. Then you're gonna keep stirring these and you're gonna boil these for 5 minutes. You don't wanna stir this too much. Just kind of wanna leave those crackers as whole as possible. Once this has cooked down for about 5 minutes, you could tell like it's absorbed all that liquid. And pour that cracker mixture right into a 9-inch pie tin. Top this with some cinnamon right on top like that. As little or as much as you'd like. And just a little bit of lemon juice. We're just going to sprinkle that all over the top. Just about like a teaspoon's worth. Take 1 stick of butter, half a cup of brown sugar, you can use light or dark, about half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're gonna add an entire sleeve of these Ritz crackers. Mix this all together. This is such a great recipe, and it's also like a fun kind of treat because you can kind of trick your friends. Put all of that right on top of the pie. Kind of like a streusel topping. So cinnamony, so buttery. It smells amazing in the kitchen right now. And then this goes into a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes, and then you're gonna lower the temperature to 375 for another 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, wow, take a look at this. Looks like an amazing pie. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this. I can show you what it looks like inside. Smells like autumn, like apple pie season. Wow, look at that. And take a look at the inside. Looks just like an apple pie, right? Looks amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and get a taste test of this giant slice. I've got some extra creamy whipped cream, just go right on top. Give this a taste test. Now, I heard that this is supposed to taste like apple pie, so we'll have to see how it does. What? This totally tastes like apple pie. You would never know. You should make this, trick your friends and your family. Tell them it's an apple pie and see what they say.